just trying to get out of that area, dude. Oh, my game's breaking. Yeah, you drive.
South Center, so. I don't know what's wrong with it. Ain't got no gas in it. Got chocolate. Right here.
His teammates.
Pow, right in the kitchen.
Oh,
Hello there.
fuck, El Chapolin's it. Thank you. Let's go. Let's fucking go.
Did you say El Chapo?
It's El Chapulin.
You mean to kill yourself?
Yeah.
But you
Or
can't say it
yell
like that on
yourself.
YouTube.
Go fucking find a family, live with them until you fucking get old, and then ask them to take you out back and fucking, you know,